Hey, what's going on? It's Dhiman here. Today I am going to show you how you can use the same WhatsApp account on both iPhone and Android. So let's roll in. Our first step is to join WhatsApp Beta because this feature is only rolled out for beta testers. For that, you can download WhatsApp Beta from link in description or you can open Chrome. Here type WhatsApp Beta APK Mirror. From search results, open this link. Here look for the latest beta version and scroll down to this section. Choose any one of these. Now scroll down and start downloading. After that, open downloads and install this WhatsApp. Now open it, choose your language, then press agree and continue. Here bring up more options and hit link a device option. It will bring you to a QR code which you have to scan from iPhone. For that, open WhatsApp in iPhone, go to settings. Here open this linked devices. Now choose link a device and scan that QR code which you have on this device. After scanning, it will start transferring your WhatsApp data. Once done, you can use your WhatsApp account from both iOS and Android device. So that's it for this video. Leave your thoughts through comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.